it's no secret that I am a huge Harley Quinn fan. Most of my collection of Harley Quinn stuff I keep in the box. But this, I found this, I bought one to keep in the box and one to do an unboxing with because I'm actually going to use it. This is a bag charm. Look at this. Harley Quinn bag charm. They also have Catwoman and Supergirl and Poison Ivy, but y'all know Harley Quinn, that's what we do. So I'm going to unbox it. And then after that, I'm going to attach it to my bag and have lots of fun with it. Mr. Freddy's like, what the crap, mother? It's, if I can open it, maybe. Maybe if I can open it. So, good thing I got my scissors here. I get the little bow out, and whatever this rope thing is. So we got this little rope thing. I'm sure we'll figure out what it does. Just attach it, I guess, to the bow. I thought I got it. Wow, they are really quite secure in the box. So we gotta get them out. And then, oh shit. This thing, I guess this looks like a little nameplate or something. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Hold on, we're almost there. Alright. Oops. Okay. So we got the bow. This is real. Oh my god, still. Get that out. I'm such a child. It's fine. Okay, we got this. Look at that. So cute. And I guess this. I don't know. It looks like you're supposed to like put a name or something on there. I'll just set that to the side because I don't know what to do with it yet. This did not come with instructions, so it did come with this little picture though, so we'll figure it out based on that. Oh, now these the little charms came out pretty easily. We have the DC. It would stop moving. Cute. Alright, so you don't forget it's a DC comic, not Marvel. Got Pow, because you know Harley's always going pow pow to people in the head with her bat and her mallet. Sometimes her pew pew. Got a little mallet bag, which is super cute, and it reminds me of this actual, like I actually have a mallet bag that looks very, very similar to this, like a real one, from the Birds of Prey movie. When that came out, they released the mallet bag. It's so cute. I've never worn it, but you know, I had to have it for my collection, so that's what this reminds me of. Oh my god. And another thing, I really, really love hyenas. So does Harley. So I love that they included a little laughing hyena in here. So cute. I mean, historically speaking, her little, her hyenas, she had 2 hyenas in the comics and the animated series. It was Bud and Lou. But in the Birds of Prey movie, she only had one named Bruce. So I'm guessing this one is Bruce, because it only came with one. So, little Bruce, we love him. He's laughing. He's having a good time. Look at his little belly. Cute. And then, so cute. The little Barbie. She's a little tiny Barbie. Let's get her out. Let's free her. Free Harley. Free Harley. Let's get her out. Maybe. If they'll let me take her out. Let's get her out without chopping her hair off too. That might be nice. Not me growling at it. maybe we just, okay, let's pull it out of the little rubber bands so we don't chop her hair off, because that would be a sad, sad day. Then get her little boots out. Free Harley. Can we get her? Can we get her? No. They got a whole rubber band around her neck. There we go. Got her free. So cute. Oh my god, she's adorable. Sorry, I'm not sure. I'm just like, oh, so cute. So here she is. This is obviously the main attraction of the bag charm. She got her blue hair, her pink hair, and her little makeup, her little jacket, and her boots. So cute. And this says Charming because that's the name of the brand of the bag charms. And I did find this on Walmart.com. Nobody paid me to say that, but that's where I found her. I don't know if she's still there. She's a super cute little thing. She was only like 20 bucks. That's why I got one for my collection and one to actually use. Because I was like, okay, cool. Like, definitely an affordable little collectible. So, I'm guessing we just clip things on there. And we're like, hey, this just goes on the bag, I guess. And it's a lot cuter than those creepy little boo-boos everyone has these days. Ugh, those little demon dolls. I hate those things. So, got this. And then we can put this on here. I'm guessing they all just... Where's the picture? Yep, they all just clip on to the thing. Maybe. My clumsy little hands. There. And then we got the POW. Then we got the DC. We got her little mallet. And then we got little Bruce. So super cute. And I think you just go like this and connect it to the bag. And my bag I'm carrying most recently is like multicolored, and it has like blue and red on it too. So I think this will be a very cute, wonderful addition to my bag. Oh, I also have on my bag I have a little plush, like it's not a bag charm, it's like a key, it's a key ring or whatever of Towley from South Park. So I'm gonna add her along with Towley, and that will just make my bag that much more fun and special. So yes, this is definitely a cute little creature thing to add to my collection. Definitely recommend. Very cute.